If you need a wireless charger, but also need some humidity in your room, this humidifier wireless charger is perfect. It has the C connector, also comes with the cord to plug it in. To use it, it is very simple. You just go ahead and rotate this off. And then in here you have your cotton strip that needs to be fully soaked with water before starting everything. You want to put mineral water into your holder and then make sure just to get this nice and wet before actually starting it. You go ahead, put it in there, put it back into the humidifier. Make sure everything is aligned and working well. Twist this back on so it's secure and does not fall out. Once your humidifier is all set up with water and ready, you can go ahead and plug it in to the back and then get a USB port, plug it in, and here we can take a look at just how nice this humidifier charger is. It is red now because I don't have my phone on it. It's not turned on. If I go ahead and click, you can see it turns on and it turns white. See that steam working nicely? Go ahead and put my phone on here. And as you see, it started charging. No problems. Go ahead and turn the humidifier off and the light is blue. If you take this off, turns red. Put it back on, turns blue. Turn your humidifier on, and it turns white. By twisting this knob, you can adjust the mist. By going up, it gets heavier and faster. Twist it back down, it goes into a nice low mist. Also, as I change it, you can see the light changing. So this is the full steam. Turn it back down and it's just a barely little mist, and then the light is turning blue. That way you know if your humidifier is on, if your charger is on. You can check it just by looking at the color. It's very simple, very nice to use. Easy connect, no wiggling around on the circle charger trying to figure out where to get it. It's charging. Okay, so if you are looking for a phone charger and also a humidifier, you can take a short step and purchase this humidifier charger and have one less product sitting around your house.